My name is Wendy Usher, and out of the kind of crafts that you can do, today I want to have a go at doing some spinning. I love fibre and I always feel really peaceful when I'm spinning, to be able to think about how the raw fleece that comes from the sheep can be created into yarn, and the yarn can then be utilised into all sorts of different things like crochet or knitting or all sorts. But I just get mesmerised in watching how the wheel actually just starts moving around, and you begin to get the process of actually being able to draw that yarn into the spinning wheel. So at the moment I realise what's happened. I've not put on what's known as the brake in the trade, but now that's on, then the spinning wheel is going to start. So you can see how I take the yarn and I just maybe work my way through, pull it out gently, just let it go. And one of the things that can happen when you're doing this is that it's so relaxing, because you truly don't need to think, apart from when you lose it like I just have then. But that's spinning. I'll leave it like that. That's